Hi guys, day 14. Yes, I'm almost there. Alright, so I printed out the old, hang on, what is it? The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. I think a lot of people remember typing that when they're learning to type, as well as ASDF, JKL, semicolon. Anyway, so I printed that out onto just plain old copy paper with using my inkjet printer. And now I'm taking some Distress Oxide inks. The first one was, well, that one was Vintage Photo, and I didn't quite make it all over the sheet of paper there. So adding some Antique Linen Distress Oxide. This was a trip down memory lane with me. I learnt to type on one of the old. Oops, I'm just crushing that so I can add some walnut stain over the top to mark those creases. So yeah, I learned to type on the old manual typewriters, ones we had to press the keys down really hard and long. Yeah, and that was you'll see later. But now I'm introducing the walnut stain. Did I use? Yeah, the vintage photo, walnut stain, and black soot there for the edges because the paper didn't quite reach the whole length of the index card. So just adhering it to the card with some glue stick. I'll just use my yellow pages there to glue things on. Now I'm going to colour that with that old typewriter with some Antique Linen Distress Oxide ink. Dry it and then glue it down with some Scotch Quick Dry adhesive. I still have my old typewriter that my mother and my mother-in-law bought me when I did the year course. So, glued that down. Now taking a madder brown Inktense pencil and outlining that typewriter and activating the pencil with a water brush, just so it's not floating on the page there. Then I thought maybe I should have it more more on the page, so a darker colour around the bottom edges I bring in next, and it's Chinese Inktense pencil. Yeah, that did the trick for me. So that's that, and then I wrote circa 1977 because that's the year I learnt to type. So that's it. Quick and easy again. Loving these. Alright, so that was what, day 14? I've got day 15 coming up next. I'm almost caught up. Alright, I'll be back soon. Bye, guys.